In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the page numbers from your book. Now let's say you're ordering a ringed binder. You can actually go back into the ringed binder. It's the only binding style we have that allows this, but you can add extra pages later. Those 3 rings actually pop open and will let you just keep adding pages as you go. So some people don't want page numbers in their book because those pages could end up in the middle of the book, the beginning, the end, anywhere. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. The first thing you have to do is flip to a recipe page. It has to be a recipe page. Now, this is my Halloween cookbook, so forgive me for all my crazy recipes. But what you do is you go to the Edit Page button right here on the far side, and then you're going to click this little drop down right here and choose Page Numbers. And then you're going to say hide page numbers. So I already had mine hidden. Yours would probably look like this, and then you click the little checkbox and say hide the page numbers and hit save. Now when you look down here at the bottom, I can show you the difference between the two. I'll go ahead and just show you what it looks like here. And you'll actually see the page number down here at the bottom. So that's what will happen by default. But if you go up here to the edit button, choose page number from the drop down, say hide the page numbers. When you hit save, you'll no longer see those page numbers. So that's how you hide it, and that's how you unhide it. So if you have any other questions, let me know. You can send an email to support@createmycookbook.com. We're always here to help. Thanks.